Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Hiring Mentors. Well, in today's video, we are going to describe about what are the 5 tiny clues that reveal a lot about a person in an interview and things to take care of. So we all need to take care of some certain things before attending an interview or while we are an interview. So in today's video, one of my friends Adrija will answer to my questions about this. So coming to this, leaning into it. So what does it mean, Adrija? So what do you say about this?
Yeah, thank you for such a great introduction. So leaning into it means the posture in which you are sitting. So I think it is needless to say that interview day is one of the most important day of a candidate's life, and on that day you need to present yourself in the best manner in front of the interview members or the board committee members, so that you can show a very bright impression. You can check our description box where we have talked about body languages and how important it is to throw a bright impression in an interview day. So as you can see that your body postures, your hand movements and other particulars are very important for you, as these are kept in mind and are checked by every person in sitting in the interview board committee members sitting in front of you. So what basically happens is, with your question and answer, you also need to be very particular and straightforward and very correct with your body postures. And leaning into it means that you can lean forward or with your head, your upper torso or your whole body to show you're connecting to what the interviewer is saying. So it mainly deals with your backbone posture or your how you're sitting. Like as the picture has shown several cross and ticks, that do not be very bent, because it shows that you have lack of self confidence and you're not confident about whatever answers you're giving. And don't lean also too much back, because it shows that you are extra overconfident, and some point of time it looks bad as well. Over enthusiasm or over smartness can also cause a high risk. The picture that is given in between, that is sitting a straight, just normal, not even too lean or not even too low, that is a correct posture. It shows that you are confident about whatever you're saying, you are delivering answer, and you are an active listener as well, that when the interviewer is saying something, you are delivering your answer in a positive and in a correct manner as well. So this is all about leaning into it.
So here are some few points about it. So what do you say?
But do not overdo it. You are trying to get into their face. Just aim for gentle timing learnings. As interviewees, we tend to pull back when we don't like or a fearful of a question. So this is naturally what happens, that candidates are mainly panic stricken, especially when they are thrown a question which they do not know any answer of, or they do not know the answer to that particular question. They are very much panic stricken, and it is shown by their body movement. So in this point of time, you need to be very calm. You can once again, I'm saying that you can check our body description or body language video given in the description box. You can go through them. You should practice yoga or meditation daily, so that you can keep yourself calm in these type of situation, which is basically saying that even if you don't know an answer to a particular question, don't give so panic. And even if you are panic stricken, know how to handle the situation rather than showing it through your body language.
Yes, you have given valuable information about this. Well, coming to the showing your hand. So what does it mean?
Yeah, showing our hands means basically, now it is actually a very dependable factor, I must say, because many a times a table is given in front of the candidate, and many a times it's not. Many a times you are provided, when you are not provided with a table, you can just keep your both hands on a palm, just like when you used to click your classroom photographs back in your school days. Otherwise, if your table is keeping in front of you, then you can gently keep palm after another in front of in as it is being shown in front of the in this picture. So actually showing hand is also very important because it shows that you're gesture and that you're confident and open about. And also with showing hand, please practice some rhythmics, like when you're describing an answer, or you're giving a subjective answer, you are showing it with your hand movement. It also shows that how much you know and how elaborate and how descriptive you are. So yeah, showing hand is also a very important signal of showing that you're confident about whatever you are saying.
Yes, yes, I think we have received valuable information about this as it is a part of body language. Well, coming to this dressing for success, is dressing really important for an interview, and what kind of dressing that people need to wear and what does it denote actually?
Absolutely, dressing is very important when you are going for an interview, because we have talked a lot about this. You can definitely go through the videos where we have talked about the dressing sense and what you must wear while going for an interview for both men and women. The links are provided below in the description box. And this is one of the most important factor, because how you are presenting yourself really shows a lot, because dressing is important in the sense that it all gives an impression, like it gives a first impression, and it shows that whether you're casual for the interview or whether you're a serious candidate or not. Because you know, when you're knocking the door and you're entering a that room, that interview room, the first place where the interviewer's eye goes is your dressing sense, how you have presented yourself. And as per, so because of that, this is one of the most important video, and this is one of the most important factor. So yes, make sure that you dress in such a proper manner that you show respect to others who are taking your interview as well.
Yes, yes. By this, we can know the importance of dressing in an interview. Well, coming to this, I think you have answered all to my questions and you have given valuable information to us all about the showing hands, about the dressing. And coming to this, all's well that ends well. So, here I'm going to describe a few points that at the end of the interview, you need to make sure that there are no things on your right hand. Because when you give a shake hand to the interviewer or the recruiter at the last, there shouldn't be any kind of things at your nearby your hands, because it makes so hard to give the shake hand, and you always need to keep the things on the left side of your body, so you can easily shake with your right hand. So these are the important points to remember while you attend an interview, and please make sure of this, because interview is considered as an important factor for your job achievement. Well, this is about the video. I hope we have given you valuable information to you all. So please subscribe to our channel, please do like, and please do share with your friends. And if you have any queries about this, please comment it in the comment section. And if you want us to do any videos about other related topics, please let us know. Well, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.